Okay, I'm recording. Okay, children, why the recording signal has not come? Yes, it is started. Now I'm recording today's class. What you can do is you can switch off your videos. Few children, only few children switch off. I tell the name. मैं नाम बताती हूँ किस किस को बंद करना है. I want only 10 children to switch on. Only 10. Any 10. Yes, Dhanishka. Any problem, Dhanishka? You're raising hand. Wait, I'll unmute you. Wait. Okay, no problem. चलो on कर लो कोई बात नहीं. Eva, any problem? Eva, you're raising hand. अच्छा एक मिनट रुको. बेटा जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि आप ये बोलोगे मैम आई नो हाउ टू प्ले काहूट. ये नहीं बोलना. एक मिनट. ठीक है चलो मैं अभी आपको प्रेजेंटर आई एम अनम्यूटिंग यू. यस एवा.
Ma'am, I'm standing on mobile, so on mobile also we have to do like this.
हाँ, every gadget. Every gadget. Computer, desktop, it can be tablet, it can be phone. What happened, Mahima? Mahima, you want to say something important? Otherwise, we'll miss the part of learning Kahoot. Yes, everybody pay attention. चिराग आपके मुंह में क्या है? Lollipop? चिराग, it's a सुबह सुबह लॉलीपॉप खा रहे हो, दांत खराब हो जाएंगे. चलो अब मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. बस अब मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. ओके लिसन केयरफुली. यशवी क्या हुआ बेटा? एक मिनट. शुड बी वेरी वेरी जेन्युइन क्वेश्चन. यस यशवी माथुर.
मैम हम क्या आईपैड पर भी
हाँ.
खेल सकते हैं?
हाँ जी बच्चे. एनी गैजेट. एनी गैजेट.
Okay. And the mobile also we have to
यस
search.
यस यस यस. अब ध्यान से सुनो बस बातें खत्म. एक मिनट. अब किसको प्रॉब्लम हो गई? रिदान अग्रवाल. एक मिनट रिदान जस्ट वेट. एक मिनट. व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रिदान? Where is he gone? Ridhan. Okay, D. Ridhan. Double A. अच्छा, double A. Ridhan. Okay, Ridhan. I'm unmuting you. Tell me what happened.
Ma'am, can we use a laptop like Google Chrome on Google Chrome?
हाँ, Google Chrome.
Okay.
Sartaj, what happened, Sartaj? Sartaj Singh Chadda. Yes, Sartaj.
Ma'am, I am on phone, not in computer.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I don't have the computer.
हाँ कंप्यूटर पे खेल सकते हैं. चलो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा. बहुत हो गया. देखो when I will tell you to enter Google, to enter Kahoot in the Google, you just have to write this spelling Kahoot. Okay, everything is recording. आप ये recording दोबारा देख सकते हो. Then you have to click on this one link, first one link, enter game pin, and that pin I will tell you, you will write here. Okay, but before that I have to choose the game for you. So I will click on the second link, Kahoot learning games, making learning awesome. Then here I will, this is for me, this is not for you. This is only for your ma'am. Login. I will log in here and I will choose a game for you. Okay. Then you will choose that, you will play the game by entering pin. Just wait for 2 minutes. What happened? Now I can log in because it is green now. I am logging in it. And then this screen is there where I will find games for you to play, study games. So I will click on general knowledge. Now, after clicking on general knowledge, I will select a quiz for you, which should be like your level. So I will click Frozen 2 trivia because everybody watch movies now. So there are some questions of Frozen. I will now click play and I will click here teach. Then I will play classic mode and then there's a pin loading. Can you see? Those who are unmute, please tell me, can you see that it's loading a game pin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Note this
Yes.
pin in a page. इस पिन को ना किसी कॉपी पेंसिल से नोट कर लो, कॉपी और पेंसिल से. Just note it down somewhere quickly. 2957934. Note it down in a notebook quickly.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, after noting down, you have to click in your.
Ma'am,
Now, yes.
ma'am, this is can you tell again the pin number?
I'm writing down in the chat box. That will be fine. 2957934. I'm writing in the chat box. Now, after writing this, noting down in the notebook, where you have to write it down, you know, where you have to write it down in the Google, where I told you, na, write Google. Here, like you can open Google. Here you write Kahoot. Now you have to follow these steps. Okay. Write Kahoot here. Then click on this link. Play Kahoot, enter game pin here. Click here. Now this screen will come. Now here you have to enter the game pin. Any problem?
Can I start now?
How can you start? I will start. You cannot start. Ma'am has to start. When all the children will come in the game, then I will enter. See, I will show you where you are entering. There is a place where you all are entering the names. See, Haridan has come, Prani has come, Gauravi. Can you see my screen? These children have joined. Yashvi has come. When everybody will come na, then I will start. Till then I'll wait. But अभी तो time भी होने वाला है. But फिर भी कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग खेलेंगे थोड़ा सा. Because we have to learn how to play Kahoot.
Ma'am, can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yes, I will wait for 5 minutes. Don't worry. I'm waiting.
My father said that. Ma'am, my father said that in any game we should not put a real name. That's why I put my nickname.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can put your nickname. It's totally fine with me. Father is so right.
Ma'am, I have done.
It's okay. You have to wait for other children, बेटा. अब हमें सब बच्चों का वेट करना है जो ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं. मैं एक बार अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ सबको. एनी प्रॉब्लम होगी तो मुझे बताना, ठीक है?
Ma'am,
Yes, Eva.
should I write my nickname or
Any name that you like. Any name that you like.
Mama, Mama has written Ahana.
Raise yellow hand. No, I cannot understand. I cannot understand. No. Raise yellow hand. Raise yellow hand. Wait. Manvi. Let's one by one. Manvi. First of all, Manvi. Yes, Manvi.
Ma'am, I forgot what we have to do. Search Kahoot. After search Kahoot.
There is a screen here like this. Here. You have to enter the game pin. A screen like this will come. This is somebody.
Can you see Kahoot? I am Eva.
What, Eva? What? Beta, somebody's mic is really disturbing.
When we will start. When we will
I
start.
will start in just 2 minutes. Please, I'm waiting for 2 minutes more.
Ma'am, what we have to do after see your nickname?
You have written your nickname. I will click on start after some time. Then you can recognize. किसका mic है ये? इतना disturbance आ रही है. Somebody's mic is really a lot of noise is coming in the background.
Ma'am, Manvi Sira.
This way, I will not be able to talk to you. Now I'm unmuting one by one. First of all, Manvi. Then I will know whose background is making noise also. Yes, Manvi, tell me. Unmuted. Manvi, unmuted. Speak fast. He's not speaking. Dhruv Sharma, what's your problem? Unmuted. Dhruv Sharma. Yes, Manvi. Yes, Manvi. I don't understand what you're speaking. There's a lot of disturbance in your background. Yes, Manvi.
Excuse me, ma'am. I have searched Kahoot. So it is one. I can't read it. What should I do?
Now, those who are not able to work, those who are not able to join, you just have to see what is happening. Up whatever children have joined now, we will play with them. Because I will send you this video so that you can understand again. Okay? Because the time is also about to over. I'm starting Kahoot now. Those who are not able to join, you will see the video and in next class you will play. Now just watch how are we playing. Now, it's a question in front of your screen. What is Swain holding in his mouth? The question is here in front of you and the answers are there. You have to click on one option. A hat, a carrot, a bell, or a shoe. There. What is Sven holding in his hand, in his mouth? A bell. Let us see how many of you have given the right answer. Only Vivu and Kashvi knew the answer. It's okay. It's the first time. You will learn it. Don't worry. Next question. Who is this? Players have to type the answer. Please write the answer. Now, so many children have written answers. Very good. Next question. You have to answer, type the answer. Elsa and Anna are related because they are, what is their relationship? Time is about to finish. आपने कहा था मैं मैथ्स क्लास में वहां बैठ जाऊंगा. आपने कहा था मैम ने मैथ्स कब से भेजा हुआ है. These mysterious stones represent the continents on Earth. Which? Oh, yes, it's false. They are not continents. Okay, next question. Sixth question. I'm recording this session. Don't worry. I will send you this recording. आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा हम कैसे काउट खेलेंगे. What are some of the elements of nature represented by these stones? What element of the nature represented by these stone? Little higher level question. But you have to be very, very smart for this. Aware for this. Earth. Definitely. It was on Earth, these stones. Vian is on first position now. 7th out of you have to type an answer. Elsa is holding a cute creature. The creature is a spirit that represents the element of. Last questions, last two questions, then we'll leave.
Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Now it is the result time. Who is on third position? Anaya Juchi. And then number 2, Dash. Number 1 is Spotlight. And it is Vian. So this is the way we play Kahoot. Okay. I told you I recorded this session. You have seen how to play Kahoot. Now I will make quizzes for you from your GK book.
I want to play this again, but the time I want to play more.
Today, not today, not today. Now in EVS
Can
class.
we play this game?
बेटा बेटा सुनो मेरी बात, सुनो मेरी बात. ऐसे नहीं मुझे समझ में आएगा. आप सब मत बोलो. You write your problem in the chat box. आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम अभी आज आई है, आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. ठीक है?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. I has left the meeting. Ma'am has leave. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. There is a network also issue. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. No, about frozen. Bye, ma'am. Ma'am is not there. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye. Mami,